Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this product, and this is the Sanitas speaking blood pressure monitor model SBM 52, and it is a fully automatic blood pressure and pulse measurement, blue illuminated XL display, 4 to 30 memory spaces. We have a plus speaking, plus LED risk indicator, plus with a arrhythmia detection. Okay, and let's open it to see what we have inside. I see a bag with everything inside. Okay, that's nice. Okay, here we got the manuals. If you want to read it, it's your choice. Definitely it will help you how to work with this product. Okay, and this is the unit. Very nice and gorgeous display. Nice bag for carrying for vacation and traveling. Now to work with that we will need 4 AA batteries, 1.5 volts. Let's find out and install it. Okay, here we are, 4 IKEA batteries.
Está pronto para entrar em função. Pode iniciar a medição.
Oh yeah, Españolo. Oh, aloha, aloha. Okay, let's move on. Well, here is the cuff. And oh, what we got here? Oh shit, I really realized there is included 4 batteries. Okay, whatever. No worries, I already installed it. Well, here's the cuff, as I said. And this is the cuff line that it will be connected directly to the blood pressure monitor. Take out that. Oh, this is for an AC adapter, 6 volt. Nice, if you want to put an adapter. And here we are going to connect the cuff line. If you've got an adapter, that will be suitable because you're not going to need any batteries. Of course, the battery you will need it when you're traveling. If you need some sort of this device every sort of time. Okay, already we can see we've got the time here. We can arrange the time, set up the time. Here the start stop button.
O aparelho está pronto para entrar em função.
Oh yeah.
Pode iniciar a medição.
Okay, I hope it can go to English. I hope. Okay, this is the function button.
Memória para o memória para o usuário 4.
Okay, minus and
Memória
positive.
para o usuário 1.
Yep, let's change it to English. Okay, changing the time. Press the on off button. For 5 seconds we can press the M button. Okay, suppose this is the year 2019, and then the M button. Okay, this is the month. Yep, May. M button. We go to the day. Day is 23. M button. To the time. Again, press the M button to go again on setup. Yeah, okay. Let's go to the time. time is 2:55. Come on. And okay. And for changing the language, one is Portuguese. Okay, that was a Portuguese before. Okay. L2 is English, and we are going to leave it on English. And again, M, and this is the sound. How much volume you need? 0, 1, 2, 3. I will leave it to 3. And M. And the device is ready for testing. Well, let's put that into my hand. You need that to be into your veins directly here. And tied it very well. Okay, nice. Start. You need to be very quiet and relax it.
Systolic pressure 132 millimeters of mercury. Diastolic pressure 78 millimeters of mercury. Heart rate 77 beats per minute. According to the WHO guidelines, your blood pressure is high to normal.
Okay, high to normal. That is because I have taken lunch before 15 minutes, and that is the reason. Okay. Of course, doctor says to take your right examples of your measurements. You need to do that 3 times and take of these 3 times what is the best. Well, I think this blood pressure monitor is doing a hell of a job. I think it's great.
The device is ready for use.
Yes, it's ready for use.
Start measuring.
Yeah, definitely. And why not for 20 euros if, of course, you need this kind of monitor, and if you have a problem, of course, why not to have one of these in your home. Maybe you have a person that is a little bit older, your mother or your father, and you need something like that. Or some person that has a condition. Well, and with that, guys, I think this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Like or dislike my video is your choice, of course. And hit the notification bell, because more videos like that is coming into the future and you don't want to miss it. And share this video, you never know who may need it. And subscribe. Have a nice and lovely day. And to you, English woman.